Ever pondered about the rarest things on our planet? The concept of rarity is a fascinating one, isn't it? It's not merely about the scarcity of physical items or phenomena, but also about their accessibility. Rarity can be found in the most unexpected of places, from the depths of our oceans to the farthest reaches of our skies. In this video, we will be delving into the world of the rare and precious, uncovering some of the most elusive treasures that our planet has to offer. We'll be looking at elements that are few and far between, gemstones that eclipse the ordinary with their brilliance, creatures that are seldom seen, and commodities that are becoming increasingly scarce. Every item on our list has a story to tell, a tale of discovery, intrigue, and often a race against time. So are you ready? Join me on this journey as we explore some of the rarest things on Earth. First off, we delve into the world of elements, with the rarest of them all, astatine. It's a name that may not ring a bell for many. Astatine, denoted by the symbol At, sits in the halogens group on the periodic table, alongside more familiar names like fluorine and chlorine. But astatine is no ordinary halogen. It holds the title of the rarest naturally occurring element on our planet. Astatine is a radioactive element, and its most stable isotope, astatine-210, has a half-life of just over 8 hours. This means that any quantity of astatine naturally decays and diminishes in a matter of hours. This rapid decay is the reason why astatine is so incredibly rare. But where is it found, you may ask? Well, it's not exactly lying around in your backyard. Astatine is primarily produced as a byproduct of the decay of heavier elements like uranium and thorium, deep within the Earth's crust. Now let's talk about its uses. Given its extreme rarity and radioactivity, astatine doesn't have many practical applications. However, it's not without its importance. Scientists use astatine in research, particularly in the field of nuclear medicine. It's been explored for use in radiotherapy to target and kill cancer cells. So, how much astatine is there on Earth? Brace yourself for this. At any given moment, there is less than 30 grams of astatine on our entire planet. That's less than the weight of an apple. It's like finding a needle in 1,000 haystacks. Astatine's existence is fleeting and ephemeral. It's here one moment and gone the next, decaying into other elements. It's a reminder of the transient nature of matter and the intricate dance of atoms that makes up our universe. With less than an ounce in existence, astatine certainly sets the standard for rarity. Next, we venture into the glittering world of gemstones to find the rarest, the pink star diamond. This captivating gemstone is a treasure trove of intrigue, enigma, and unparalleled beauty. Let's delve deeper into the mystique that surrounds this precious stone. The pink star diamond, also known as the fancy, vivid pink diamond, is a spectacle to behold. Its vibrant pink hue is a result of a phenomenon known as plastic deformation during its journey to the surface of the Earth. This process alters the crystal lattice structure of the diamond, refracting light to produce its unique pink color. Now you might wonder, what makes the pink star diamond so rare? The answer lies in its extraordinary size and color. Weighing in at a staggering 59.6 carats, it is the largest, flawless, fancy, vivid pink diamond ever graded by the Gemological Institute of America. But the rarity doesn't stop there. The pink diamond category itself is extremely scarce, accounting for less than 1/10% of all diamonds mined annually. The journey of the pink star diamond has been an interesting one. It was mined by De Beers in Africa in 1999. Over a period of 2 years, the rough stone was meticulously cut and polished to reveal the sparkling gem we see today. The value of this gemstone is as breathtaking as its beauty. In 2017, it was sold at a Sotheby's auction in Hong Kong for a record-breaking sum of $71.2 million, making it the most expensive gemstone ever sold at auction. The story of the pink star diamond is a testament to the astounding marvels that nature bestows upon us. It's a gem that has journeyed from the depths of the earth through the hands of skilled craftsmen to become a symbol of rarity, beauty, and extraordinary value. And that's what makes it so captivating. The pink star diamond, a gemstone that's as rare as it is beautiful. From the inanimate to the animate, we now look at the rarest animal, the vaquita. This elusive creature, an aquatic marvel, is a species of porpoise that is the most endangered marine mammal in the world. What makes the vaquita so special? Well, it's not just its scarcity. This tiny creature, no larger than a human child, is unique in many ways. The vaquita, Spanish for little cow, is marked by its dark rings around the eyes and lips, giving it a somewhat comical look. But don't let its appearance fool you. This creature is a master of its environment. It thrives in the warm, shallow waters of the Gulf of California, where it feeds on a diet of fish and squid. Now, you may be wondering, why is the vaquita so rare? The answer, unfortunately, is human interference. The vaquita's habitat has been ravaged by overfishing and pollution. Its numbers have dwindled due to being caught in gill nets intended for other species. But there is a glimmer of hope. Conservation efforts are underway to save this precious creature. The Mexican government, international conservation organizations, and local communities are working together to create safe zones, free from fishing, to protect the remaining vaquita. There is also a strong push to educate the public on the importance of maintaining biodiversity and the role each one of us can play in conservation. There are fewer than 20 vaquitas left in the wild, a number that has been steadily declining over the years. Each vaquita is an emblem of the fragility of our world's ecosystems, a poignant reminder that our actions have consequences that reach far beyond our immediate surroundings. The vaquita, a poignant example of rarity caused by human interference. Finally, we turn to commodities, with the rarest of them all, antimatter. Antimatter, a fascinating subject of science fiction and cutting-edge research alike, is a substance composed of antiparticles. These are the mirror images of the particles that make up everything we know and see. An atom of antimatter has the same mass as its matter counterpart, but the electrical charge is reversed. Now, why is antimatter so incredibly rare? The answer lies in the Big Bang theory. At the beginning of the universe, matter and antimatter were formed in equal amounts. However, when they come into contact, they annihilate each other, releasing energy in the process. For reasons still unknown to scientists, a slight asymmetry favored the creation of matter over antimatter, allowing for the existence of the universe as we know it. Creating antimatter is no small feat. It involves high-energy particle accelerators, which are massive, complex machines that speed up particles to near the speed of light and then smash them together. When these particles collide, they can produce antiparticles, but the process is inefficient and costly. In fact, to produce a single gram of antimatter, you'd need to run the Large Hadron Collider at full power for about 1 billion years, and the energy cost would be equivalent to the annual energy consumption of the entire planet. Yet, the potential uses of antimatter are intriguing. As a source of energy, it is unmatched. A grain of antimatter could fuel a spaceship to the stars. In medicine, positrons, the antimatter counterpart of electrons, are already being used in PET scans to detect diseases. However, the challenges of creating, storing, and safely using antimatter are immense. It's the most expensive substance on Earth, with estimates suggesting a gram could cost up to $25 billion. Antimatter, the epitome of scarcity and potential. We've journeyed through the world of elements, gemstones, creatures, and commodities, each rarer than the last. From our exploration, we've understood that rarity is not simply a matter of scarcity. It's a fascinating dance of many factors, each contributing to the elusive quality that makes something rare. We began our journey with the rare element astatine. A product of radioactive decay, astatine is the loneliest element on the periodic table, with less than 30 grams of it existing on Earth at any given time. Its rarity lies in its volatile nature and the fact that it's continuously disappearing even as it forms. Next, we delved into the world of precious gemstones, and no gemstone is rarer than the extraordinary pink star diamond. This stunning gem's scarcity is a result of both its size and its unique hue, a tantalizing pink that's incredibly rare in the world of diamonds. From there, we ventured into the realm of elusive creatures. The vaquita, the world's rarest marine mammal, was our focus. A small porpoise that's only found in the northern Gulf of California, its numbers are dwindling due to accidental capture in fishing nets. The rarity of the vaquita is a sad testament to the impact of human activity on the natural world. Finally, we examined a scarce commodity, helium. Though the second most abundant element in the universe, it's surprisingly rare on Earth. This is due to the fact that once released into the atmosphere, helium is light enough to escape Earth's gravitational pull and float off into space. In each of these instances, we see that rarity is born from a unique blend of natural occurrence, time, and the influence of human activity. Whether it's the fleeting existence of astatine, the unique beauty of the pink star diamond, the threatened survival of the vaquita, or the escape of helium into the cosmos, rarity is a testament to the delicate balance of the world around us. In the end, rarity is a complex interplay of nature, time, and human activity. But what if I told you that the rarest thing on Earth is something you've never thought of? Now we've explored the rare elements, precious gemstones, elusive creatures, and scarce commodities. However, the rarest of them all is right under our noses, or rather in the mirror. It's a concept so familiar yet so profound: individuality. Every single person on this planet is a unique combination of experiences, thoughts, dreams, and emotions. Each one of us is a distinct blend of our genetic makeup, upbringing, and personal journeys. This makes us, in essence, the rarest things on Earth. Think about it, there are no two people who are exactly alike. Even identical twins with the same genetic code will have their own set of experiences and perspectives that make them unique. Our individuality is our rarity. But it's not just about recognizing this rarity within ourselves, it's also about valuing it. Our society often pushes us to conform to fit into neatly labeled boxes. But why should we, when each one of us is a rare gem, unique and priceless in our own right? We must learn to embrace our individuality, to celebrate our uniqueness. This is not just about self-love or self-acceptance, it's about preserving our rarity, our uniqueness, in a world that often seeks to standardize and homogenize. Our individuality also extends to how we interact with the world around us. Each one of us has the power to contribute to the world in our own unique way. Imagine a world where everyone harnesses their individuality to make a positive impact. That's a world worth striving for. So, as we journey through life, let's remember to cherish and preserve our rarity. Let's not be afraid to be different, to stand out, to be ourselves, because in the grand scheme of things, our individuality is our greatest asset, our most valuable treasure. In a world of 7.7 billion people, remember, you are the rarest thing of all.